एक काम करते हैं, रुक, प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स 10%, सर्विस टैक्स 12.3%, टोटल अमाउंट 100 लाख प्लस 30 लाख करोड़ मोर, बोल. तो पाकिस्तान इज लाइक, जनाब कश्मीर छोड़ देते हैं, नेपाल ले लेते हैं, वहां तो वॉचमैन और कुक भी फ्री में आ जाएगा. Yeah, so that's how it's going to be. Why are the teams not here? They have taken an extended break, too much of trouble. Yeah. How are you finding the quiz? Good? Interesting? Yeah? How many of you not won any audience prize till now? Okay. Anybody, how many audience prize? Anybody with Times of India around? Nobody, everyone's left. Yeah? Alright, this gentleman is the only one who is going to have a lot of problems around. Okay, look at them hiding, you know. They say, yeah, you know, we'll probably, if we hide somewhere, we'll also get an audience prize. Well, I'll spot you and make sure that you don't get an audience prize around. Yeah? Okay, alright. Now, how many audience prize? Anybody gives me a count? I see a lot of nice little diaries. Are all this for me? Yeah? No? Oh, you have lots of prizes? He is behaving like Indian government, passing the buck. मुझे नहीं पता हूँ. Ask. Okay. All right. Fair enough. Now, let me give you some answers from the prelims. Make sure all of you get some prizes. Which one do you want to know? Any question that you want to know answers from prelims to? All. Okay, I'll give you some. All right. The stamp. I want raised hands. Don't shout out the answers. Raised hands. I like your glasses. Can you stand up, sir? Look at this gentleman and me. Both of us need treadmills very, very badly for now. He wants to know the answer to the stamp. And who is going to give me the answer to the stamp? Yes, gentlemen. Mr. Aditya Vikram Birla is a prize for you. And for asking a good question, a prize to you as well. All right. Yeah, anybody giving them the prize? Yeah? Sarji, where are you from, sir? Where are you from? Delhi? From Mumbai, huh? Have you stayed in Delhi too much? I'll tell you the story about Delhi, all right? I was flying Indigo, all right? And I'm not making this up. I'm not making this up at all. So I was flying Indigo, and you know, Britannia was doing some sampling of cookies, right? So they come in and they give this free cookies, right? Have anybody had this experience? An Indigo? Free cookies? Sir, he looks like मैंने तो पाँच ले लिया था. Okay. So I kid you not, there's this guy next to me. So he's from Delhi, he goes like this. The air hostess comes, gives us a cookie. He said, "Aur do de do." So the air hostess looks at him and says, "Nahi sir, ye gin ke aate hain." So the guy goes, "Gin ke aate hain? Acha chalo koi nahi. Agar kuch do char seat khali ho to unka bhi de diyo." I'm kid you not. This is exactly what happened. And I'm talking nonsense because I'm just waiting for the teams on stage. I'm not a comic. Nor do I aspire to be. You have a question, sir? What is the price of the treadmill? I don't know. Please ask Proline Fitness. Huh? He didn't get the prize. Why not? That is the biggest exercise he's ever done. I did not get the prize. He raised his hand. 2 kilojoules, are kind of wasted on that. He is a mechanical engineer. No, he's somebody who knows thermal. I know joule. Yeah. All right. Okay. Fair enough. You have a question, sir? Which one do you want to know answer to? एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट. हाँ, good one. So you're a thermal, right? Yes, who wants to give an answer? I'll give you a clue. अच्छा, there are 2 parts to the answer. Sir, आप उस company से हो क्या? Okay, I'll give you two parts to the answer. Okay, one part is of course what is the answer? What are subtypes of what? The second part, there is an Indian company that is the largest manufacturer in the world of that particular commodity. So you give me 2. 1 prize for getting the first answer, 2 prizes for getting the next answer. Deal? खड़े हो जाओ. Black. Okay. Amitabh Bachchan in black, inspired by Helen Keller. No, give me a complete answer. Black is not correct. If you've written black, you've not got the points. Yes, sir. Absolutely. Round of applause. 3 prizes for you. The guys from Times of India look at me, क्या कर रहे हो? And they told me, जल्दी खत्म करना, 1 बजे से अंदर. Yes, sir. Well, ready with the chits? Okay, so that's perfectly correct. Yeah. Carbon Black, right? That company is the largest company in the world. And one final answer before I move on to the teams. You want a question? Which one? Yes, Tony Stark. Yes, once again. Hang on. Yes, ma'am. Jarvis is right. It's actually just another rather intelligent system. It's a robot that you see. A prize for you for asking a good question, and prize for ma'am, right? For getting that right. Okay, time to begin the quiz. Let's call on team 1. Okay, let me give you a background to this quiz. Of course, we have heard it before, but this quiz this year has moved to multiple other cities than it was last year, making it the biggest ever quiz in its space. All right? So we are at Pune to our itinerary, and the team that won from Pune, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome them on stage. Infosys. Pune se train late hogi. They're not yet. Okay, just about. Yes, Infosys, you want to pick up a picture? Yeah, just look at the number. 2, table number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, from Bangalore, one of the finest companies from Bangalore, my city, and one of the finest companies to come to India and start off offshoring way back in 1985. Great designers, put your hands together for Texas Instruments. Your TI? Team number 3, that's your table. All right. From Delhi, a company, their parent company actually has a ticker which says G, a single letter ticker on NYSE. Genpact. Genpact, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause, guys, from Genpact. From Genpact? Yeah. 1? All right. Okay, fair enough. I don't think I need any more chits. Engineers should be able to figure out there's one place vacant, or actually I need one more. All right, now let's moving on. Finally, the regional winners from Bombay, TCS. Okay, let's move on to the finals. The finals will be a little quick than the regionals, all right? Of course, the finals would have a little more questions from the upper deck, if you like the word. Now, teams on stage. We will have 4 rounds of quizzing, okay? 2 rounds would be on the buzzer, all right? And 2 rounds would be standard. Fair enough? The first round, okay? Let's move on. Next slide. Okay, next slide. Okay, the first round is basically what we call a topics round, okay? We go clockwise, okay? And if there is any initial question that is left, it will be on the buzzer. Fair enough? Do you want to test the buzzers once again? Or are you fine? All fine? Okay. Now, if you're all set, 10 points for the right answer, okay? This round, there is no negatives apart from the buzzer question, okay? We'll go clockwise in this round, yeah? Plus 10. You want to test the buzzer? Yeah. Happy? Is it made of TCS software? Yeah? All right. TCS, I'm not going to let you go, yeah. Fair enough. You know. Let's move on with the quiz. Fair enough. We go with team number 1, Genpact. Look at the screen and pick a question or a topic. No. The last question that is left will be on the buzzer. The 5th question will be on the buzzer.
Okay, so will you like to go with logos and symbols?
You'd like to go with logos and symbols. We'll open that up for you. For 10 points, read the question and tell me what logos or symbol are we describing. For people who are scoring, team number 1 is Genpact, team number 2 is Infosys, team number 3 is Texas Instruments, and team number 4 is TCS. 10 seconds for a direct, 5 seconds for a pass. The gentleman who's shooting at ET now, just make sure that I'm on your frame, yeah? If I'm not, don't bother. No, actually tell me that. 10 seconds are up. I need an answer now.
So this is the...
No negative.
Yeah,
go ahead.
Radioactive hazard symbol.
Genpact has opened up the score. This is the radioactive or biohazard. I'll give it to you. Go to the answer. Go to the answer. This is the symbol that we're looking at. Okay? I'll give it to you for 10 points getting it right. Moving on. Let's move on. Yeah, click here. Yes. What do you want? You have Indian. You cannot take logos and symbols again. So you can choose from design, Indian PSUs, homegrown success, like an engineering success story from India. And of course, you can choose quality. Quality, technically, also in engineering. Infosys, yeah.
We'll go with homegrown success.
You'd go with homegrown success, Infosys from Pune. All right. Some editing has gone into it. How Dash built Dash into $1 billion global business in just 4 years. Huge success. Huge. Who is this guy? Or what is this company? I'll give you points for either. Tell me the company or the name of this gentleman. I'll give you the points for both. No, I'll come to you. Audience, don't shout out the answers, please. I don't have backups on this. I don't have backups on this.
Is Snapdeal?
Snapdeal. Ladies and gentlemen, give this guy a round of applause to Infosys for getting Snapdeal. The only problem is that is not Kunal Bala. So therefore it's not Snapdeal. Incorrect answer. Yes, TI.
Go with design. Oh, yeah, okay.
This TI guys, you know, youngsters, yeah, so I can say that. They're currently zonked, you know, probably taken an early morning flight from Bangalore. They look like, you know, just imagine, how many have seen this movie, Zindagi Na Mile Dobara? And how you wished, only if I had a job like that. All right, okay, now. Look at these two young men, and picture the man on the left is Hrithik Roshan. I know it's a tough stretch of imagination, but just about think, all right? Now imagine he's Hrithik Roshan, all right? And this man, he's his friend, Farhan Akhtar, if you like the word, yeah? And you remember that scene where Katrina Kaif writes up, you know, Enfield and all that, and comes, right? You remember? Yeah, he remembers. Uske liye to gaye the movie. Okay. Now what happens, okay? So picture, Katrina Kaif gets off from the bike, right? Takes off a jacket and tells Hrithik Roshan, take what you want. So my man, the Hrithik Roshan, tells his friend later, I took the bike. Really nice. This man, Farhan Akhtar, tells him, both were engineers, right? Good choice, the jacket wouldn't have fit you anyways. Yeah, TI, tell me.
Make my trip.
Not make my trip, TCS.
Kya zunga?
Nahi dunga, point. They said kya zunga. Genpact.